video tutorial, we will be masking and compositing images using the brush tool. So I've started Photoshop with fresh preferences, and I'm just going to load this file that I've given you. And as you can see on this file, we have two layers. One is the forest and one is this background, which is a waterfall. So we're going to try to make it appear like the waterfall is coming through the tree. So to do that, we're going to be masking, applying a mask to this, and then we will paint away the areas that we want to see through. So with the forest or top layer selected, I'm going to go down to the Add Layer Mask button. And now you can see that the mask is all white. That means that we can see this entire layer. So I'm going to grab my brush tool, and we're going to be painting with the foreground color. So right now my foreground color is white and my mask is white. So if I paint with white, nothing will happen. But if I paint with black, so I'm going to swap these two colors, I can either hit the X key on my keyboard or hit this double arrow. And I'll just increase my brush size a little bit. I'm going to hold down my Control and Option keys to enlarge that. And I'm just going to paint right on the mask. I want to make sure that before I start painting that the four corners are around this mask. If the four corners are around this, then I'll paint on that. But this is a smart object and it won't let me paint on it. So I'm going to make sure I switch over to the mask and start painting. Now as I start to paint, you can see that the layer below it starts to appear. And you can paint as much or as little as you want. You can also, because I'm only painting on the mask, I'm not painting on the actual image or on this background. This background, although it's locked, I can unlock that. I can move that around using my Move tool. So I can move that around to see it better. So it's up to you what parts of that image you want to see and how detailed you get with your mask. And that's that.